I'm David Burkholder, and this is Achenbach's Bakery. It's the end of October, and we've been very busy. It's apple dumpling time, and we've been making apple dumplings. Our biggest customers are fairs, market stands, and festivals. Our apple dumpling recipe dates back to the Bender's Bakery up in Hamburg.
Call this the third stage. We rolled out some of our pie dough and we just cut little squares. We set the apple dumpling on it and then we fold it over. You just want to make sure all the flaps are nice and secure to keep the apple dumpling nice and wrapped.
Thank you so much.